We've been at this for like what? Literally 2 or 3 minutes?
Yeah.
I lost my 10 mil already.
Oh my god.
I guess. Do I look like a normal person?
You don't look any less than I do.
Well.
Look at the best intro ever. Hey everyone, welcome back to Breadbox Racing in 4x4. This week we're working on Braden's Pathfinder here. Long story short, she's NFG.
No, it's like HFG. It's half gone.
Yeah, okay.
Three cylinders work.
Yeah, the other three are kind of foobar though.
They have numbers. They're not good numbers, but they have numbers.
Because you got what, like 2 PSI on one of them?
No. Actually, no. I have it written down somewhere, but I forgot it.
It wasn't enough PSI either way. So
No,
we gotta strip this down, get the heads off of it, and see what went wrong. And
That went wrong.
yeah, pretty much. Sit tight and yeah. Friday night.
Grab a snack and let's do it.
What he said. All right.
There go all your subscribers.
Yep, they're all gone. We have like 3 left. Better get rid of them too.
3.5. That one guy's kind of on the fence.
Fuck that guy. Is that seriously as far as the hood opens?
Yeah.
Can we take it off and put it on top?
That's exactly the plan.
Okay. So I was able to order all the chassis parts for the structural repair on the MG.
That is perfect. That fits directly in between all rails.
Okay. What the?
I'm just going to be smart and start with this.
Uh-huh. Nice. Wow, that might... Nah, she's fucked now. Yeah, that's what you want.
It's about as dusty as the girls that walk down this street.
For those that don't know Prince George, that's entirely accurate.
Yeah.
It's yikes.
How long has it taken us to actually start on this?
Longer than it should.
We've been
as
this-
long as we expected.
We've been at this for like what? Literally 2 or 3 minutes?
Yeah.
I lost my 10 mil already.
Oh my god. Wow. Depends on what time of night this goes to.
Or how many pops we have.
Yeah, I think pops are gonna have to happen at some point.
Look, he's helping. Are you helping? I think you're helping. Oh, you're helping. You just said you're helping.
Oh, don't do this. No. I'm gonna have to do this the messy way.
Did it turn into a drippy cock?
No.
A little moist.
It went to the strippers.
Yikes.
Maybe if I use the right fucking screwdriver, it'll work. But I'm pretty sure she's fucked now.
I don't know where to find out. You know, I'm so glad these hose clamps, just do stuff and hold stuff on, but I can't, just fucking pull off my hand all the time.
That thing is straight first down. But, oh, hey, it worked. Okay, so the Phillips petcock is now a pliers petcock.
Oh, she's kinky.
Yeah.
I guess Phil should have treated her right. Or maybe he did treat her too right, and that's why she's a little loose.
Okay, take off your cap. Unless you like the dribble.
Whack! I feel bad.
Most of it.
I'm sorry in advance. There's going to be a lot of editing.
Yep. That's pretty much what I signed up for. I knew what I was getting into.
I guess that's the spirit.
Why did I do this?
Don't touch it!
It's the spicy water.
Touch it. Whoa. I don't care. Don't touch.
Oh! Yeah, you tell him. Wow, Nissan, enough grounds? Jesus. Things, I don't know, I guess I could come work on this while you're at work. Oh, that's encouraging.
This guy killed the people in prison.
Well, I was gonna say, orange, 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 orange. Not orange. Why not orange? Holy shit, do I want pizza.
There's no fucking threads on this. It's gone. It should be the other way.
See that?
This is steel into aluminum. This should still have threads on it. What the?
That's actually impressive.
Fred.
That's really impressive. That's it. I like it. How the fuck does this... There's a spring... Oh my god. That is the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
A few moments later.
You gotta push the green part in, I think. I suck. Huzzah! I removed a tiny piece of metal. Time to spill some gasoline.
God, you need me to break. Hopefully. I don't have to go work anymore.
Yeah, you can claim 1 mental health day. Not 2 though, don't get greedy. We're back! We've done nothing!